Hi everyone, welcome to our today's video on how you can manage your excess inventory. This video is meant for FBA sellers who struggle to optimize their inventory and often face difficulties in getting additional inventory space at our fulfillment centers. Today I'll show you how you can quickly take actions on your excess inventory and how that will help you optimize the space. So currently I'm using a test account. So this thing that you see in front of your screen right now is the Seller Central homepage. I will show you how you can navigate to excess inventory dashboard. So first you can hover to inventory and then you can click on inventory planning. Under inventory planning, you will see there's an option called inventory dashboard. And over here, there's an option called manage excess inventory. Right. So I click on this excess inventory dashboard and that leads me to this page. So if I have to learn about what excess inventory is, there's an option called learn more. So excess inventory is nothing but the stocks that have greater than 90 days of supply. So any inventory that has greater than 90 days of supply or has reached the maximum desired days of supply is called excess inventory, right? And this dashboard will kind of help you optimize your excess inventory in different ways. So first of all, the dashboard helps you by providing recommendations. So if you see on the top, all recommendations, so these are the filters that you have over here. So the recommendations are as follows: create sales, create removal, advertise listing, improve keywords, edit listings, etc. Now, over here, what you see is basically the inventory that has excess quantity, and the dashboard is showing me that inventory over here. So currently, if I see one quantity is available for this particular test ASIN, which has 365 plus days of supply, right? So which means the estimated excess quantity is 1. And you can see the estimated excess definition over here once you hover the cursor. It will also show me what is the estimated storage cost. Now, because this item is not selling, it's lying in Amazon Fulfillment Center for more than 365 days, what is the average or estimated storage cost that I'm incurring, right? And this will recommend me what the action that I should take as a seller. Now, there are different actions that you can take. Either it can be create sale, create removal, advertise listings, but the dashboard is intelligent dashboard. It will tell you exactly what should be done for you that is best for your business, right? So for this use case, it is asking me to create a sale. So once I click on create a sale, I will kind of see the sale price over here, and it gives me the start date and the end date, right? So I select the start and the end date. I can reduce the price as desired, and I can click on create sale. Now, the moment I click on create sale, the sale goes live, and automatically, as you know, sale attracts customers. It will help sell off the inventory, right? So selling off inventory is much more convenient for you than creating removal, and hence the dashboard is recommending you to create a sale for this use case. However, there might be instances where you might have to create removal, and you will get the option over here as create removal. There might also be options of advertise listings where the dashboard will recommend you to advertise your products. So requesting all sellers viewing this video, please take actions in manage excess inventory dashboard, as this will allow your products with opportunities to improve inventory performance. And it will also help you optimize the space available in our fulfillment centers. Thank you for watching the video.